Network. If you're new to this channel, please smash that like button. Please hit that subscribe button. It means a lot for the support on the channel. If you guys are a 335 owner, I'm doing a giveaway also on my channel. I'll leave a pop-up right here. It says it's a VRSF cold air intakes giveaway, so they're 80 bucks, but not many people will enter, so it's a higher chance of winning than a lot of other YouTubers. So today, obviously why I clicked on the video, we're going to be installing I got the M3 carbon fiber spoiler for the 335i. It's from Tuner Motorsports. I'll leave a link in the description down below. So we're just going to show you how we are going to install this, and then I'm going to show you some after shots of it as well. So all we're going to do is we got 3M adhesive tape, both sides tape, so sticky on both sides, and all you're going to do is run it right around the edge of this entire spoiler, and it's just going to fit onto the back of your 335, something like that right there. So we'll get back to you guys shortly when this is getting installed and installed. Alright, so I just put the double-sided tape, I just stuck it on there and just ran it down the entire part of the back of the spoiler. I'm going to do a little touch-up right here and just cut some smaller pieces on the tape on both sides just to make sure, because I am full bolt-on, so there's probably going to be a lot of downdraft on it. So yeah, we'll get back to you guys once I put it on there. I'm going to just do it a little bit. Here, I'm just going to wipe off the car, make sure it's completely dry. You don't want it to have any hairs on it or wet, because you want this to stick perfectly the first time, obviously. So we're going to line it up like this, try to get it on there. Make sure it's even on this side. Let's blow that up a little. That right there. Want to get it completely perfect, so I want to fucking have to. That's good right there.